Hi, I am Hazel Buchanan, and I am from Portland, Oregon, and so very lucky to have found myself to this yoga retreat. Here is what is amazing to me about this place. We've got three unbelievable teachers, um, two dedicated yoga teachers, and an herbalist who's got some shaman experience as well that I want to learn more about. And they're all very unique and dedicated and present and kind. And you get to opt into whatever class you want to take. And one of the first guidelines um, that I think has made a difference for me, and I think a lot of other people too, is you choose yourself first. So you are expected to go to zero. You could come and just be here and enjoy the food and watch from afar, or you can engage in every activity if you choose. And there's something scheduled most all of the days. There is yoga, there are workshops on posture, there's an herbalist walk and talk about how that can support the body and one's life. And we're going to do chakras later this afternoon. I'm very excited about that. And apparently, there is some fire ceremony tonight, which I'm thrilled about too. I've cried a few times with the sound bath, just so you know, in the best way. I don't know. It's a magical place, and I will be a repeat attendee here. I'm so grateful.